lahat dumaan.
Again, another point is just that in South Korea, their medicines are so what's this? Are so advanced that when a person is delivered with cerebral palsy, they can undergo surgery to correct that aging.
Beep, beep.
Here,
Beep, beep.
I don't think we're in that situation yet.
No worries. Thanks for the call. Appreciate you.
Okay, thank you.
Bibigyan ako ng isang sample. Eliminate crumble of speakerphone and not following the directions.
That was your fault kasi you brought up Gattaca.
No,
Ano
kasi
yun?
stay na yung gata kayo sa
Saan? Yung ano?
Gata.
Yung movie. Sci-fi movie. Si Uma Thurman saka si Ethan Hawke.
Oo, napanood ko.
Ah,
Yung sinasabi niya tatlong brothers sa liver cancer.
sa 1970s.
Hindi. Recently yun nasa Jessica Soho yun. Napanood ko yun.
1970s. Ah, yung ano, sa Jessica
Oo.
Soho. Lahat patay. Isa na lang yata natira.
Wala na.
Wala na lahat.
Oo.
Yung pangatlo patay na rin.
Oo, pina-stem cell pa nga yun. Wala.
Grabe.
Pero sakit nun ah.
Tagal ng buhay eh.